The following video will provide instruction for connecting single-tooth master links to Cat large dozers. Before beginning the procedure, review the applicable reference material found in the Service Information System for your specific machine model. These are the tools and materials required to perform the following procedure. Additionally, appropriate personal protective equipment should be used while performing this task. Using a die grinder with a reconditioning disc attachment, remove all paint and debris from around the track shoe bolt holes. Use caution to only remove paint and debris from the machine surfaces of all parts through the entire procedure. Also, avoid sparking. To prevent damage, no metal should be removed from any of these surfaces. Be sure to clean an area large enough so all paint and debris is removed from the bolted joint contact zone. When finished, flip over the Masterlink track shoe and remove all paint and debris from around the bolt holes on the underside of the track shoe. Using a die grinder with a reconditioning disc attachment, remove all paint and debris from both Masterlink top surfaces where contact is made with the master track shoe. Next, reposition the bushing and master links and remove all paint and debris from both Masterlink mating machine surfaces. Since the bushing and master links feature a tooth valley, use a die grinder with a wire brush attachment to make sure you remove all paint and debris from this area. Using a die grinder with a reconditioning disc attachment, remove all paint and debris from the pin-in Masterlink mating machine surfaces. These surfaces also include a tooth valley, so use a die grinder with a wire brush attachment to make sure all paint and debris is removed. Finally, make sure the pin-end Masterlink bolt threads are clean and free of grease, paint, and debris. Follow the procedure referenced in the applicable SIS documents to join the Masterlink pin and bushing. The procedure should result in complete contact between the pin end and the bushing end Masterlinks. Apply anti-seize compound to a set of new Masterlink bolts by coating the bolt threads, as well as the underside of each bolt head. With a suitable lifting device, position the master shoe and install each bolt by hand to ensure proper thread engagement. Number the Masterlink bolts 1 through 4 using a cross pattern. Then thread each bolt with an impact gun until light contact is made with the master shoe. Start with bolt number 1, then bolt 2, bolt 3, and finally bolt 4. Threading the bolts in a cross pattern ensures proper force distribution. Based on the model of the machine, apply the appropriate pre-torque amount, beginning with bolt number 1. Repeat the procedure with bolt number 2, then bolt 3, and finally bolt 4. With a paint pen, mark the required socket at the outer angle of the hex opening. Then, mark the track shoe at the outer angle of each bolt head. Moving 90 degrees clockwise from each of these marks, make another mark to create a reference for a 90-degree arc of rotation. Install the required socket on a torque wrench capable of achieving 6,000 Newton meters, 4,425 pounds per foot. Beginning with bolt number 1, align the mark on the socket with the mark on the track shoe associated with the outer angle of the bolt head. Tighten the bolt until the mark on the socket aligns with the second mark on the track shoe, which represents 90 degrees from the first mark. Repeat this procedure for bolt number 2, then bolt 3, and finally bolt 4. The Masterlink assembly should now be fully connected and the bolts properly torqued. If you have questions about connecting single-tooth Masterlinks to Cat large dozers, or if you need further assistance, please contact your local Cat dealer.